and welcome to the F1 book club for the British Grand Prix. Now, after a couple of quite tricky and difficult and yucky books to read, I thought I would treat myself with the British Grand Prix. So I have read one of my favourite books by Trisha Ashley, and it's called Chocolate Wishes. Yes, it's chicklet at its best. I absolutely love this book, and as you can probably tell, I have read it and read it and read it. It's one of my favourite books. Yes, it's boy meets girl, girl meets boy, boy loses girl, girl meets boy again, and they fall in love and they live happily ever after. But I don't care. I love it. This is my favourite book, and I have to say I really love Trisha Ashley as well. I pretty much have all of her books, and I don't care that it's chicklet, I don't care that it's not highbrow, but I love it, and I can thoroughly recommend this one as your first introduction to Trisha Ashley's books. Not only is it a really good story, she also puts some really good recipes in all of her books at the back. So as you know, if you watch my F1 bake-offs, I do a bit of baking as well, so I have tried some of her recipes. So for this week, I have read Chocolate Wishes by Trisha Ashley, and I can thoroughly recommend that you read this book. And I will see you in 2 weeks' time for the German Grand Prix book club.